Hi, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also press the bell button so that you never miss any update from me. Also do not forget to like, comment and share with your friends. Namaskar, namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel Bewidshree and I am SHYAMASREE. So this is one of the most requested video. If you follow me on Instagram, I have posted a poll whether anybody wants to see this eye makeup, and I got 100% yes to that, and that's a very good response. I was overwhelmed by the response of yours. Thank you for that. Please, if you are not there with me on Instagram, I will just right now on the screen you can see the names of my social media links, and also in the description box I will give you the link. Just be with me and stay connected there as well, because a lot of things happens and I post it there because I can't post it on YouTube. So without talking too much, let's get started. So first we'll just define our crease, nothing too crazy. So I will take a kind of brick, cocoa color, kind of brown color. I'm using this palette. You can use any palette you have, okay? Just see the way of doing it, and that's it. So first of all, after I have primed my eyelids, I will just define my crease little bit. Okay, that's it. Now the main part is we have to apply the kajal. Okay, make the thickness as per your requirement, as per your eye shape. So those who have little bit hooded eyes, don't apply too much thick eyeliner. That will hide your, that will not give a good look. Just very thinly do that, okay? So now what we will do, we will just smudge the upper line, not the whole kajal, but this upper line, okay, if you understand. So what I'll do, I'll just first smudge this top line. At the same time, I'll try to wing it out very small, very light-handedly. Try to apply the kajal without leaving any space. You should apply your liner as close to your lash band, okay? Otherwise it won't look good. So we have smudged out the upper, the top line. Now I will take this brick color. You can take brown or brick color as per your preference. I am using brick color. We will place the color where we have smudged the top line. Just on the top line. It's very easy eye makeup, but then you have to be very careful and should have the control on your hand. You can see there is a transition going on from black and it has faded into brown. So this is what I wanted to create, and that's all about it. Also we have to set this kajal with black eyeshadow, because it's a kajal, it will again smudge on your lids overall, so we don't want that. We will set this kajal creamy thing with black eyeshadow. So that's it. So now I will just finish up my whole makeup and then I will do the lower lash line, okay? So keep on watching. And now I'll do my lower lash line. So first I'll just apply this onto my lower lash line, okay? I'm not putting it on my waterline. I'm just doing the halfway, not till my inner corners. I'm taking this smudge brush and I'm also taking the same color that I took for my upper lids, this brown color, brick color. And equally I'll just smudge this out the way I did on my lids. Thickness depends on you, how thick you want your lower lash line to be. Also under my brow bone. Now I'll just apply mascara. Mascara changes your whole look. This is MAC lip liner in the shade Spice. And then I'm applying this MAC Velvet Teddy. This is how I created the entire makeup look. This is very easy. Try this out during this puja and I'm sure you will love it. Whenever you do this, you can pair with a nude lipstick, you can pair it with a dark lipstick, doesn't matter. Whatever you feel like, whatever you want to do, you can do that. According to your preference, you can choose your lip options as well. You can do it at night and also during the pujas you can try this out. The morning also if you go out somewhere. So yeah, why not after a pujo. So I hope you will like this and please do give a big thumbs up if you like it and also support my channel by being beside me and subscribing to it. I'll see you next Tuesday. Till then, stay happy, stay well and do not forget the 3 L's of my life. Live and let live, love and share the love, and laugh, make others laugh. Bye and take care.